In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Bitwarden account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with your Bitwarden account for whatever reason, whether you're switching to another password manager or simply tidying up your digital footprint, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you do it right with no hassles along the way. First things first, you'll want to have access to your Bitwarden account, so open your web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden web vault. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. It's crucial that you have access to your account since this is the primary method for managing your Bitwarden information, including account deletion. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Settings option. This will take you to a new page filled with various options related to your account and security settings. Now, on the Settings page, scroll down until you come across a section ominously named the Danger Zone. This is where any sensitive actions, like deleting your account, are held. The reason it's called the Danger Zone is because actions taken here are irreversible and should be executed with caution. Remember, once you've deleted your account, all of your saved passwords and information will be permanently erased. In the Danger Zone section, you'll find the Delete Account option. It's clearly labeled, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on this option to proceed. At this point, to further ensure your security, Bitwarden will prompt you to enter your master password. This extra step is to confirm that it's really you making the request to delete the account, adding a layer of protection over your sensitive data. So go ahead, enter your master password in the field provided. Once you've entered your master password, you will be provided with an option to delete your account. Click on it, and just like that, your Bitwarden account will be deleted. Before you head off, make doubly sure this is truly what you want to do. Bitwarden accounts hold invaluable information, like passwords and secure notes, which once lost cannot be retrieved. If you're sure about your decision, then that's it, you're done. Your account and all associated data are now permanently removed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in securely deleting your Bitwarden account. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions, and as always, stay secure online.